It's something that's easy to take for granted. A favorite magazine is delivered right to your mailbox, right on schedule. But how does that magazine make the journey between a modern, high-tech printing and binding facility and your mailbox? The answer is that your magazine might make a stop in a facility like this one, which is one of our Donnelley's logistics centers. One of the functions that takes place in this facility is called co-mailing, and it offers an example of how the mailing industry and the United States Postal Service work together to increase efficiencies that help to contain costs. Let's see how it works. Co-mailing is a service which takes multiple publications and sorts, groups, and prepares them in one pass for delivery to the United States Postal Service, organized to carrier route sequence to minimize postal delivery costs. In essence, co-mailing takes many publications and, using sophisticated computer programming techniques, shuffles them together to create one combined master addressing list. It then uses a co-mailing line to put all of the titles into the proper sequence, as they are addressed, bundled, shrink-wrapped, and palletized for shipment to the United States Postal Service. This co-mailing line features more than 25 pockets. Each pocket can hold a different publication or title. When all of the pockets that will be used to execute the run have been loaded, the system begins dropping the titles onto the conveyor. Complex software tells the computer-driven co-mailing line when each copy of each individual title needs to drop, so that the publications will line up to match the master address list. This means that the conveyor might line up 5 copies of Title 1, followed by 10 of Title 2, followed by 4 of Title 3, and so on. Once the titles are on the conveyor, they move under an addressing unit, which inkjets the right address onto each publication. The system is even sophisticated enough to allow the operators to handle the addresses farthest from this Chicago area logistics center first, so that Alaska and West Coast addresses are given a head start toward their delivery to the USPS. Once the titles are addressed, they ride the conveyor into a unit which groups them, bundles them, and wraps them. Each wrap bundle represents a package that is so well sorted that it is ready to slide into the appropriate mail carrier's bag. As the bundles exit the machine, they continue on the conveyor into a shrink wrapping unit, which can wrap each bundle in a protective film. Finally, the shrink wrap bundles are organized on pallets, which are clearly marked and will soon be loaded onto trucks for shipment to the appropriate USPS mail processing centers. Just this one R.R. Donnelley facility can ship millions of pounds of personalized, printed materials each day. During the peak mailing season, this mailing industry operation alone will receive, unload, process, pack, and dispatch hundreds of tractor trailers each day. Co-mailing is just one of the ways that the mailing industry and the USPS work together to bring a world of commerce, information, and entertainment to your mailbox.